news about Jesus as according to John chapter 7 from verse 40 to verse 53. People said different things about Jesus. When some of the people them in the crowd hear what Jesus say, them say, for real, that man ya are the prophet. Some other ones say, are the Christ this year. But you did still have some with that ask. No, sir. Because the Christ not come from Galilee. Not true. God would not say that the Christ going come from David family and from out of Bethlehem, the town where David did live. So the people them did split up over what them think about Jesus. Some of them did want to hold him, to lock him up. But nobody name put one hand upon him. When them we God also go back to the head priest them and the Pharisee them. The head priest them and the Pharisee them ask them say, "Why me couldn't not carry him come?" The guard them say, "Nobody never ever talk like old that man ya talk." So the Pharisee them say, "You mean say a trick uno too?" None of the Jew ruler or Pharisee them believe in me. No. But that fufu crowd of people here, we don't know nothing about the law. Bad blessing upon them. Then Nicodemus, the one where did I go at Jesus before that time here, and where did in a them group ask them say, "Will I allow if we judge nobody and say that they're guilty before we hear from them first to find out what them a do?" But them said to him say, "You not come from Galilee too. Go through God's word and see for yourself. No prophet never ever come out of Galilee yet." After that, all of them got in yard. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.